Hello my dear, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm speaking to everyone. If she suffers with you, then she should enjoy with you. Yes, are you new to my channel? Hit the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you are the first to know. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section after this video, and make sure you watch this video to the end. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Recently, I have been advising our ladies to bear with our men, especially the ones that are still coming up financially, with regards to starting life very little to starting life very basically as couples. However, some ladies share their sentiments with me. Therefore, today I would like to strike a balance. Many ladies do not mind starting their marital journey with little or nothing with their guys. But hear this. Many have expressed the fear of being abandoned by those so-called husbands when they finally become financially successful. And of course, reality on the ground shows that many men who started little or with nothing with their wives, and their wives held on through it all, later abandoned their wives for much younger ladies and side chicks. Now, wonderful men, gentlemen, I'm speaking to you right now. If you and your wife started your marital journey in a very little way, without any finances or little finances, and now God has blessed you financially, you shouldn't abandon or disregard her. Men, a woman who suffered with you in the past must also enjoy with you in the present and in the future. A woman who lived with you in a one-room apartment, a woman who ate meals with you that are poorly cooked, who stayed with you through thick and thin, who stayed with you through those hard times, should also enjoy with you when you finally make it in life. Men, dear men, such women should be treated like queens. Those women who helped you blossom in life. Disrespecting and disregarding your wife because you are now financially stable and financially empowered is sheer wickedness. The men who disregard their wives, who abandon their wives when they finally become financially stable, do not actually know what they are doing. They do not know that they are heading for destruction. A woman who loves you and agrees to marry you when you are financially zero, when you are financially struggling, and lives with you through thick and thin, and lives with you peacefully, is very priceless. Please cherish her like a piece of diamond. Side chicks have nothing to offer you or give you, because the same side chick with you can find another man of their own. Picture this: a lady who wouldn't mind to date a married man is evil. This is a lady who won't mind to ruin another person's marriage, another woman's marriage. She doesn't mean well for you. All she is looking at is the financial benefit. If you get it out of the picture, she won't be there for you. Side chicks cannot settle down with men who are not financially stable. What does it mean for you if one day you are not financially stable? Side chicks are opportunists who only want you for material and financial benefit. Immediately the goodies drop or stop, they disappear in thin air. Or even when they get greener pastures somewhere. And this will happen after ruining your marriage. Men, be aware. A wife makes, a side chick wrecks. A wife builds, a side chick tears down. All those faults that you are now seeing in your wife that you haven't seen over the years are because you are comparing her with this side chick. But remember, you have faults too. Much as you have been tolerating her for so long, she has been tolerating you too. You are only seeing her faults because you are cheating on her and you are comparing her with another woman. How evil have you become? The only thing a side chick has to offer you is their sexy bodies. But your wife has the whole world to offer you. Please stay with your wife. Don't ruin your blessings and your family blessings by cheating on your wife with side chicks. You are also ruining the side chick's life. You are ruining the side chick's blessings by making them indulge in ungodly relationships. You are making this side chick be a side chick. You are making this side chick commit a sin of engaging in an ungodly act of fornication with a married man. You are being adulterous, forcing someone to commit sin instead of guiding this lady as a married man to find her own man. And side chicks, I'm empowering you today. You can be better than that. You can get your own man. You can also be number one. You can decide today not to ruin another woman's marriage. Because when you have kids with this man, who knows? You want your children one day to have their own men. So, what blessing are you bestowing upon your children? If you as a mother can ruin another woman's marriage, side chicks, I'm telling you today, you can get your own man. You are better than that. Stop cheating, stop adultery, and enjoy your woman, enjoy your wife, and have a blissful marriage. So, many thanks for watching my video. Leave me a comment in the comments section. Share this video, and if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Do you want me to answer any questions? Leave me a comment in the comment section and I will. Thank you so much. I love you. See you in the next one. Ciao.